And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, Milton, Category 5, max sustained winds 180, gusts to more than 200, and could bring the largest storm surge to Tampa Bay since at least 1821. I mean, the record is 1848, the storm surge. It's forecast to be more than 12 feet. Tampa Bay has been directly hit by two major hurricanes since 1821. 1848, winds at 130, and winds at 140 back in 1921. So this would make it a third potentially. At least that's the thought here. But I want you to notice, you know, this is one thing that the models I don't think are picking up on well. The amount of rain that's going to come down out of this. I've seen some cranking out a foot of rain or so for the Florida Peninsula. Well, for one thing, you've got a low pressure over Florida now. We've already had more than 3 inches over parts of South Florida already. This could become a tropical depression towards the Bahamas and beyond. And then you've got with a PRE, or the predecessor rainfall event, this arc of rain here that will impact Florida. And then you got to get through Milton. Now, Milton's going to be moving pretty quickly, but all of this is just piling the water up. And Milton will be so large, it'll just reinforce the piling of ocean water too. And then, you know, some places will get more than 2 feet of rain. So a lot of flooding in Florida. This is just a massive 1,200-mile width of rainfall. And then likely a Tampa Bay landfall Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. The eye moves over Orlando, and then it moves out to sea. But even with that, with high pressure up here and the storm here, there's still going to be some really strong winds here across Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, even if it doesn't rain there. 37 to 44 tonight, chilly one. 37 Logansport, 39 at Monticello, about 40 Chalmers, 41 at Attica. But then we warm low to mid 70s tomorrow with lots of sun, northwest wind. Pretty high grass and field fire danger tomorrow as well. And then we keep warming up on Wednesday. Plenty of sun, chilly morning, but a warm afternoon with the fire danger and a 79-degree high in Greater Lafayette with 76 to 81 from east to west doing it area-wide. So there are just a few patches of high clouds, mid-level clouds coming through briefly this evening, and then it's just wall-to-wall sun. We may see a patch of some high mid-level clouds just sneak through here Wednesday night. Otherwise, it's just southern Cal weather. It's just clear and dry for the entire area. There's Milton right there. Here comes the eye. This would be Tampa Bay. This is late Wednesday evening, early Thursday morning, right there. The eye moves right over Tampa, Orlando, and then it moves on. Will likely make landfall as a high-end 3 or a 4, but it will have a 5-type surge, and it's not out of the question. There could be another system brewing down here that may hit Cuba and may bring some tropical storm or Cat 1 hurricane conditions potentially here in a week or two to parts of far South Florida and the Bahamas. For us, strong cold front comes through later Sunday. Just a couple spotty showers with it, or thunder showers. Could bring severe weather to parts of New England though, but here the main thing is the cool air that comes in. Look at this, north winds all the way down to the Yucatan. That's a strong cold front, frost and freezing by next week. 79 Thursday, 82 Friday, 3 degrees from tying the record high of 87 set in 1930 on Saturday with 84 and windy. 78 Sunday, but look at that, 59 Monday, and your frost and your freezing before back to the 70s.